व्हेनेवर अभी एक फैशन होगा है आंबेडकर 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 आंबेडकर। इतना नाम अगर भगवान का लेते तो 7 जन्मों तक स्वर्ग मिल जाता। अच्छी बात है ना सुनिए तो।
The leaders on the stage, brothers and sisters, friends from the media, thank you for inviting me to this protest. I've been saying now for some time that the aim of the RSS is the eradication of all other histories, all other cultures, all other traditions in this country. That is their starting point, and that is what they want to achieve. They attack the Constitution because they want to impose one idea, which is their idea, one history, one tradition, one language on this country. And this attempt that they're doing with the education system of the different states, this is just another attempt to push their agenda. Each state has its tradition, each state has its history, each state has its language, and that is why I keep saying that in the Constitution, India is called a union of states. That means all these histories, all these traditions, all these languages come together to make India the union of states. And so that is how we have to think about it. We have to respect all the languages, all the cultures, all the traditions, all the histories, and we have to understand where they are coming from. The Tamil people have a tremendous 3,000-4,000 year history. They have their language, they have their tradition, they've had their struggles, and doing this is an insult to the Tamil people and also to all other states where the RSS is trying to impose their hegemony. And I want every Tamil youngster to know this, that this is not just an educational move. This is not just the RSS placing vice chancellors on top of your universities. This is an attempt by the RSS to attack everything that you stand for, your history, your tradition, your language. And you must remember it and you must understand it in that spirit. We in the Congress Party and in the India Alliance are very, very clear that every single state must be respected. Every history, every language, every tradition must be respected, and all of them must be treated equally, not differently. In our manifesto, we already said that education will be brought back to the state list, and this is something we're committed to. And I want to tell my friends on the stage that we are in full support of what you are saying. We do not accept the RSS's vision of this country. We do not accept the idea that one ideology, the RSS bankrupt ideology, should be imposed on this nation. And no matter how hard they try, no matter what fantasies they have, this nation is never ever going to accept the RSS ideology for itself. I'd like to thank you all for coming, and I'm very happy that you have come here to do this protest, and I wish that multiple protests like this happen, because the RSS needs to be made to understand that they cannot attack the Constitution, they cannot attack our states, they cannot attack our cultures, our traditions, and our histories. Thank you very much. All the best.
ಸಿಯಾನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮುಕ್ತ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮವನ್ನು ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸಿ.